Hey, I'm Stu. I'm the co-founder of Type, and I want to show you a new way to improve your writing using AI. We call it AI suggested edits, and it helps you edit your writing a lot faster without kind of giving up creative control to the AI. So let's say I'm writing a cold email, which I am prone to do. This email is just, it's a little bit too long. I would not want to read this myself. So I'm going to highlight the email, tap this little magic AI button here, choose the way in which I'd like to change the text. In this case, I want to shorten it. Instead of rewriting my whole thing, which could potentially strip out some stuff that I really like, Type will show me suggested edits in line one by one, and I can accept or reject the ones I like. So found is better than came across. I like that. Yeah, really might not have been necessary there. As a founder myself, you know what? I kind of liked myself. A little bit more personal. And just right down the line, I can accept each edit that I think really captures what I'm going for. We have also built keyboard shortcuts, so I can just tap A to accept this, and it'll auto advance to the next suggested edit. R to reject, so I'll reject this one. And if I want to accept all edits at once, I can just hit Command Enter, and boom, I have an email that's maybe like 2/3 of the length that I started with. I could probably even cut this down even more if I really wanted to. Again, just accepting those edits that I think are actually additive. Content. Voila, copy and paste and send that. But the cool thing is, this is not just useful for like super basic editing tasks like shortening stuff and fixing grammar. You can use it for a lot more advanced and complex edits, or even stuff that requires a lot of creativity. So here I have a screenplay, and this is a comedy about two tourists who cause a ruckus basically in an East Coast beach town. And in this scene, they're sneaking into a construction site to pull off some antics. But it's not that funny yet. It's kind of like dry. So I am gonna give it instructions here to just like make this funnier. And what's cool is it's not just gonna totally replace everything I've written. It's gonna give me these individual jokes and edits I could consider adding. Now in stolen that are comically too small. It's a great little detail, except Morty's vest barely covers his chest. That's funny. It adds these nice little funny actions within my dialogue. Not that additive, I'll reject this joke. And so on and so forth. So I'll just accept or reject any edits that I think are actually additive or that actually make me laugh in this case. So there you have it. Really simple to use. It's a quick way to just generate edits without totally stripping out your voice. You can have final say on what goes in and what doesn't. And you can try this today directly inside of Type. Just go to type.ai and we'd love to know what you think. So happy editing.